comes with a remote that you can turn it on or off with the push of the button. It not only raises and lowers, but you can also tilt it so that it's down or up. This remote also increases the speed. Right now it's on the lowest setting. Airflow increases. And this is the highest setting. It's not a loud fan. I'd say it's about average to other fans. It also, on the remote, allows it to oscillate back and forth, left to right, as you can see. It also has buttons at the base of the fan for you to do the same as the remote does. This remote can also be placed right there by way of magnet, so you don't lose it. Very simple.